In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your Face ID on your iPhone. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to click on what settings. Once you're there, you simply scroll down, and you're going to see Face ID and Passcode. Click on it. After which you'll see set up Face ID. You simply need to click on it. Once you're there, you simply need to click on what get started. After which you simply need to position your head. After that, you click on what. So simply shake your head, position it. So once you're done with that, you simply click on what start over. So guys, it's going to automatically move you to the next stage where you can simply use your either your marks, your face marks, or you can use without your face marks. So I'm going to insert without my face mask. So after which you click on what done. Once you're there, you simply need to insert your passcode should in case your Face ID does not work. So we are going to be using this passcodes everywhere. So I'm going to click here, confirm. So guys, we just successfully set up our Face ID, as you can see. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.